Hello guys, this is your 14th Revit class. So in this class we will learn about site contours, how to create topologies, like that kind of thing. And after that we'll just see scheduling, basic part of scheduling. So these are the things that we will see in this class. So now let's continue with the class guys. So just go to models and create a new project. Check it as architecture template and click OK. So after opening this project file, as we are going to discuss about the site as the first thing, so let's in floor plans, let's open the site. Give a double click and open this site viewport. And after opening the site viewport, in this massing and site tab, just go to massing and site tab. Here we can just explore about the site. So here we can just learn how to create contour sites, topology sites using this topo surface. So just click on this topo surface. Once you click on topo surface, you have to place point. It will show you just place points. So you have to randomly place point. If you just have a particular shape of site, you can just place point at corners or edges, however the shape you have a site. So before placing a point, here we have something called elevation. So if this elevation is at zero, so before just setting this, make sure you change the units. So just go to manage and click on the project units. So here change this to meters. So whenever we are going for a site uh, thing, if you are going to create a site, always make sure you are entering this into meters. So site dimensions are always large, so it is better to make it as a meters and let it be like this itself. And then just click OK and click OK. So after changing the units, go to massing and site. As as we have chosen this topo surface, automatically we'll be coming into this modify edit surface. So in modify edit surface, you will be directed to choose this place point. So after clicking this place point, here you can just type elevation like 0, 1 meter or 2 meter like that. So this means like your site elevation, it shows that's your site elevation. If you just want to have a flat site, just flat site, then always keep it as 0. So now let's start placing this point randomly like this. So I have placed my point 1 here and then I'll place my point 2 over here and then I'm placing my point 2, point 3 over here and then I'm placing randomly over here again here. So here you can see we are creating a shape, a kind of shape for the side. Again, place point here, place here, like this. Keep on placing points like this. So after placing a certain kind of point, as you can see, we have created a kind of shape for the side. But now the level of this side is completely zero. As we have given in the elevation, it is zero. So now, before, if you just give a green tick here, that means you have completed your site as a flat site. But if you just want to create a contours, different level of topologies, then again you have to know after creating this, now you can just increase a value. Like I will just increase as zero point 0.5, enter. So just to create a contours topology, now again I will just give points inside is like this. I'll place points like this, like this. Now if I just open my 3D, you can see automatically there is a something contour kind of thing is happening there. So again come to site plan and now this time just increase your elevation value and keep it as 1 meter. And now again place this points here like this. Again place points like this. So by this, if I just go to 3D, now you guys can see I have increased my topology much more than before. Now again go to site and change this to 1.5. And again, if you just create a contours and just go to 3D view, here you can see we have created, increased the contours like this. Now go to site plan. So after doing like this, now just we have to click on this green tick to finish this site topology. So now just click on this green tick. So after completing, now if we just see it in 3D view, now we can just see it as a complete contour site. So if the same thing, if you just do it again, now let's see, again we'll just click on topo surface and then we'll just place points at 0 and then we'll just place a point like this, like this. And now if we just give a green tick here, okay. And then again, if you just click on topo surface and then if you now place uh, at different level, point 5 or point 1, just type it as 1, just type it as 1. And then now if you just create another, if you just want to create a contour like this and just give a green tick here. If you just go to 3D, now you can see the difference. So here we created all the different elevations in at the same time before giving that green color tick. Once adding all the levels at different elevations, finally we just gave the green tick and we got contours like this. But here you can see we created this surface and then we just gave a green tick and then after that again we created a topo surface, give a much higher value and then we created this surface. Now you can see there is no connection between this surface and this surface. So that is why if we just want to create a flat surface, keep it as 0 and you can just create a side boundary and just you can give a green color tick. So you can just create a flat surface. If you just want to create a topology or contours, then you should not give that green color tick. You have to create all topology. You have to place all the points at particular elevation height. And then after completing all the levels points, at final you have to give a green tick so that you can get contours like this. So now, after creating contours like this, so we'll just create one more time. So go to site and let's delete this, delete both things like this. And now we'll just create a topo surface again, once again. So let's click on this place point. And after clicking on this place point, make sure your elevation is at 0. And now this time, let's create a normal kind of site like this. So let's create it like this. And after creating placing the points at 0 level, the next thing is to create a contour. We have to just change the level as 1 at 1 meter level. And here we should not give a green tick. We have to do it all the changes of levels in one same time. So now let's start placing this thing like this. So like this, you can just keep on adding these points. So after adding level at 1 meter, now let's add it at 2 meters. So press 2 and then again start placing points like this. So now this contour is at 2 meter height. So keep creating like this. So after creating thing like this, now we'll just create a at 3 meter height. So press 3 and now again keep on adding like this. So after this creating this much contours, now just give a green color tick here. And then if you just go to 3D, here you can see we have created a contours like this. So this is how we can just create a contours. So after that, we have site components here. Next to topo surface, after creating this topo surface, we have a site component. So just click on site component. Once you click on site component, we can just in properties you will have several components like this. So now we have site component as many trees. So let's select any of the trees and just place it like this in the site. So go to site plan level and randomly place it like this, trees. So after that, or else if you just want to load family, you can just click on load family. So in this folder, UK folder, you will have a site. Here we have so many things, accessories, site bicycle, this, rack. So these are kind of things also we can just add it in the site. So we also have road markings like this and drainage kind of chambers. So we have separate things in libraries like this kind of things. So let's add this one and let's place it somewhere over here like this. So press escape. After doing this, now just go to 3D. So here you can see we have added site components like this. And now if you just want to change the trees, just select these trees, go to properties. First change this to shaded mode or realistic mode. So we can just see the output of the tree. So now this tree looks like this. So if you just want to change this tree shape, then select this tree and go to properties. Here we can just select other trees. So this tree looks like this. So again select this, select this one. So it looks like this one. So again select this. We'll just find out which tree suits better. So let's click on Saradash. So it is a little bit huge. This is an apple tree. So from properties, we can just change the number of trees whichever we want. So let's keep this Japanese cherry and let's select other trees as well. We can also change the color of this tree. If you just want to change the color of this tree, then we can just select this tree. We can also change the height. So go to edit type after selecting this. Here we have a height. If you just want to change the height, you can change this to 5. So in that case, we can just change the height. See, height has been changed. And if you just want to change the color of the trees, go in render appearance. Here in render appearance, you can change the color to red color tree like this. So if I just click on this red oak and click OK, click on apply. So here we can just change the shape also. So we just click OK. Now you can see we have changed the shape of this tree as well. So just select this tree and again make this to, we'll just try to change the shape of this tree. Go to edit type. Here in render appearance, let's change this to this one. Click OK, apply, and just click OK. So now you can see we have changed this type. So like this, we can just keep on changing this thing. And here again, go to edit type. In render appearance, change the other options however you want. So this time I'll just select, okay, I'll just select this one, common apple, and click OK. Apply, click OK. So after that, you can just change the location of these trees. Just you can move it like this and go to 3D. So like this, we have trees. So like this, we can just place the site components at a, whatever components, trees or street lamps or this kind of bus stop, these kind of things we can just place it here. So after this, the next thing that we are going to see is split surface, merge surface, subregion. So these three things we are just now going to learn. So split surface and merge surface are related to each other. Subregion is almost similar to uh, these all three are similar to each other, but there is something different in subregion because split surface is and merge surface is like a surface kind of thing. Subregion is kind of a region. So that's the only difference. So now we'll just see about these three things. So first we'll just learn about this split region. So just click on split region. Once you click on split region and then select this topo surface. After selecting this topo surface, you will get a tools to split the particular surface in this topo surface. So we'll just select this circle tool or a spline tool. So for now, I'll just use this circle tool and then go to site. Here, using this circle tool, first here using this circle tool, we'll just try to create it like this. And then we'll just move to 3D view and then we'll just give a green color tick here like there. So now we can see we have splitted that particular surface. So now this surface is separate and this surface is separate. So if you just want to apply grass on this surface, particular surface, so you can just select this surface and in properties, you can go to materials tab in by category. Here you can just create a new material and type it as a, rename it as a grass and open an asset browser. Here we can search for grass. So we have certain grasses. So let's use this grass and then click on OK. So in this way, we have added a grass kind of material over here. So like this, we have to split the surfaces. But if you just want to just delete this surface, if you just want to delete this surface, what you can just do is press on delete. So now you can see whole thing has been deleted. So this is not a correct way. If you just want to undo this grass, if you just want to uh, delete this circle and just make a normal contours as it was it before. So how to do that is if you just press on delete, it will delete the whole surface. So that is not a proper way. So just to change this, instead of deleting this, we have another option called merge surface. So once you click on this merge surface, and then first, if you just want to apply this greenery grass all over this topo surface, then first we have to select this surface and then select the second surface as topo surface so that all whole thing will be a grass. But if you just want to merge this soil and change this circle area also as soil, then first you have to select this one topo surface and then again second time you have to select this grass. So like this we can merge this. So this is how using the split surface we can split the surface from this topo surface. And if you just want to merge it, you can use this merge surface instead of deleting. So this is what the difference between split surface and merge surface. So after this, we'll see what sub-region is. So again, let's keep it the grass portion like this itself. So this is a split surface. So here we have a splitted this particular surface. If we just delete this, complete surface will be gone. So to instead of deleting this, we can just use this merge surface. Instead of deleting this, we can use merge surface to make it same. But now we have the third thing which is sub-region. So just click on this sub-region. So if you just want to make another separate region, like this is a surface, but this is going to be a region. You just want to create a separate region for grass, or else you can just want to create a road or pathway. So in that case, we can just move to this site plan, and here we can just make a separate region. So let's this time create a road. So for road, using this rectangle, let's draw it like this and end it like this. So now this is one profile. By using this profile, after creating this rectangle, now I will just click on this green color tick like this. So now we can see a separate region like a split surface has been created. But this is a surface, this is a region. That is the only difference. So using this sub-region also, we can just uh, create a separate region like this and we can apply materials like grass or road material to this. But the difference is if I just delete this, I don't need to worry because automatically it will be a normal. So we will have a topo surface normal. So that surface won't be deleted. We don't need to merge surface. That is the difference between this is a split surface and subregion. So using this split surface, I have splitted this particular surface. If I delete this, it will be gone. But in subregion, I have created a separate region. If I delete that, the surface won't be gone. So in subregion, you don't need to use the merge surface. Only for a split surface, you have to use the merge surface. So now just select this and we'll apply material, road material. So go to properties, just click on this place and create new material. Type it as road, rename it as road. So now click OK. Okay, first open this asset process and here just type it as road. So in road we have only this option. Just select this one. So this is how it appears, but this is very light. So reduce this glossiness as 30 and then increase the tint, turn on the tint and here let's make it as like this. Now it looks road kind of feeling and go to graphics, change this to use render appearance like this. And now just click OK. So now we have just created a road material on this path. So that's the difference between this split surface, merge surface, and sub-region, guys. So split surface, you can split that surface and then If you want to merge, you have to use merge surface. So you can merge that to this topo surface. Or else if you just delete this, it will be gone. That particular surface will be gone. But in sub-region, it is completely different. If you just select this, you don't need to merge it. If you just want to merge it, you have to just delete this. So that particular surface will be deleted. That's the difference between these three things, guys. So after this, we have one more thing, which is label contours. So now we'll just see what label contours is. So just move to plan. So in 3D, you cannot apply this label contours. If you just want to apply this label contours, you have to move to this plan. So now in plan, if you just want to see the levels of this contour, then use this label contours. And then just click here and draw it like this. That's all. And now you can just zoom it. You can see the value is 0 at this place, and then at this level the value is 1 meter, and this level the value is 2 meter, and at this particular level the value is 3 meter, and again the same thing like this. So if you just want to change this value, then just select on this label. If you just want to change the text size, color and everything, so just select this label and go to edit type. Here in edit type, just change the color to whatever color you want, and then change the text size to whatever size you want to give, and then after that click OK. Now you can see, we can clearly see the difference easily. We can just find 0, 1, 2, 3. So like this, we can easily find the levels in the side. So this is how you can just create this level contours. So again, we can apply it here also. Just click here or this side and just move it. Just draw it like this one single line. That's all. Now press escape. So like this, we can just create a label contours. So just till here, just try this out, guys. So that's all. This is how we can create a site contours. So just till here, just try this out, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, now let's continue with the class. So now we have almost seen all the things in the side part. So we'll just see these two things. We have saw topo surface, side component, and all these three things. Now we will just see this parking component and building pad. So first we'll see about the building pad. So what building pad is like, as we have a contour side, a slope side. In that slope side, if you just want to create a flat surface, so using this building pad, we can create a flat surface. Like for example, if you have a terrain slope, and there, if you just want to create a home, if you just want to place a building there, then you need to create a flat surface on that uh, slope. Using this building pad, we can just create a flat surface. Or else, if you just want to place a pond or swimming pool kind of thing in a slope surface, using this building pad, we can create that kind of thing. So now to create building pad, just move to site plan. So here in site plan, now just click on this building pad. So once you click on building pad, here you have the tools. Using these tools, you can just create a profile for the building pad. So I will just click on this rectangle, and here I will just draw a rectangle like this. So like this, I will just create a rectangle. And after creating this, I will just give a green color tick here. And then if I just go to 3D, here I can see a flat surface has been created, but at level 0. So when you just see in this properties, just select this, and in properties you can see height offset is at 0. It is at level 0. Our contour is when you just go to site, it starts from 0 and it creates a slope up to 3 meter height. So our this flat building pad is at level 0, and you can see at the height of 1 meter and 2 meter, our building pad is placed. There, the level of the building pad is 0. So to change this, you can just go to properties, and here you can just give the full height up to match the top level of this slope. So here we can just type it as 3. So 3 meters height. Now if you just come here, here you can see now the building pad height is at 3 meters. So like this we can change the so like this we can just create a flat surface on the slope surface. So now if you just want to merge this thing, so it is looking like standing out like a pillar kind of thing from a slope surface. But if you just want to merge the soil around that surface, so if you just want to do that, just go to site plan, and then you have to select this topo surface. First select this topo surface and then click on this edit surface. So first you have to select this topo surface in sidebar and then click on this edit surface. After selecting edit surface, you have to click on this place point. So here just click on place point, and then here make sure it is at elevation 3 meter height. So our pad is at 3 meter height. So make sure you also give the elevation value here as 3 meter. And then now start placing points at around this pad like this. So start creating points like this. Keep adding points like this around this pad. So keep adding points like this. So after adding points like this, and now just give a green color tick here, and then just move to 3D. So now you can see we have just merged this. So even we have a slope surface here, but you can see around this flat pad, as we have created a building pad which is a flat here. So around this pad we can see we have again created a kind of slope from there. So we have uh, so like this we can just merge the soil surface around this pad. So if you just want to change the material for this, you can just select this thing, and here in material tab you can just go and apply whatever material that you want to apply there. So this is how we have to create the flat surface, guys. Using the building pad, we can create a flat surface on the slope roof. And now, for example, if you just want to create a swimming pool pond over here, so then again go to site plan, and then let's go to this masking and site. Here, just click on this building pad and just draw a circle. So let's place a pond over this place. So let's create a pond here, and then just give a green tick. And now if we just go to 3D, here you can see we have placed it something at bottom. So just select this and in properties, just change this to 1 meter high. So now it looks like this. And here we have to merge this. So again, go to side and select this topo surface and click on edit surface. Click on place point and just type it as 1 here as our font height is 1 meter. So here we have to just keep on adding lines like this. We have to just keep on adding points like this around this only at the bottom place. Or else we can also give a point over here also so that it will properly merge around the circle. And after that, just give a circle, just give a green tick here and now move to 3D. So here we can see, so like this, we have created a pond over here. So if you just want to apply a water material to this, just select this, just select this pond thing, this flat surface. And here you have to go to edit type. And in edit type, just duplicate this and rename it as water. Click OK. And then go to structure edit. Here you can just apply materials to it. Just search it as water. So there is no material as water. So just let's create a new material. Rename it as water and open asset browser. Here type as water. So we'll apply this more this material. So in preview it shows like this. And then go to graphics and just click on user render appearance like this. Now after that just click OK. Here also just click OK. OK like this. So now it looks like transparent as this is a water material. We just change this to shaded. Here you can see it looks blue. So let's keep it as realistic. So now this like this we can just make it as a water material. So like swimming pool kind of thing, we can just create that kind of thing in the slope road. Sorry, slope surface. So in slope surface, we can just create this kind of pond or swimming pool kind of things. Using this building pad, we can just create. We can just create it very easily. So now we have this parking component. So parking component, we can just make that using this plain flat surface. So let's keep it as 0 and then place point in side. Go to side and let's create a flat surface like this and give a green color tick here. And now when you just click on this parking, you can just randomly place it here like this. So this parking tool is just like it just gives you a parking mark. So when you just go to 3D, here you can just see. So at a particular standard size of parking, you can just using this parking component, you can just place the uh, parking marks on the side very easily. So according to that site width, how many cars that it can accommodate, it will just create a proper parking spaces based on your site dimension. So here, according to this site width, we have 6 car parkings. So it has created randomly. Automatically, it has created. So if we just have a more width of site, then it will just create 10 or 12 car parking very easily by defaultly. So that's all. This using these parking components, we can just create this parking marks on the side. So that's all for this side part, guys. So side part is over now, and now we'll just move on to the next part, which is we'll learn about the schedule. So scheduling for doors and windows, and how to add costing to the schedules. Those things that we will know in next thing we will learn that. So just close this file. Let's close this and just open the project file which we have worked in the previous classes. So just click on this project file, and here we have to do the scheduling. So now I'll open the 3D view, and now to do a schedule, just to add door schedule, window schedule, to just add a schedule, I have to go to this view tab. Here in view tab, I have here schedules. So just click on this arrow mark. You have the schedule quantities. Just click on this schedule and quantities. This dialog box will appear. So here you have to select the category. So first I will just want to see about the doors schedule. I'll just click on doors, and then I will just click OK. And again, another dialog box will appear. So in this dialog box, I have to select subcategories of these doors. So I have to just set parameters, like what are the parameters that I want to look in the schedules. So here in these subcategories, I have to select those parameters. So here I would like to select this family and type, what type of family and type the door is. To know the family and type, I will just select this door family and type, and then I will just import this. So here I have to click here to add this parameter. To add this parameter, I have to just click on this symbol. So now I have added that family and type. So if I have wrongly added this one, by clicking this arrow, I can just remove that. And after this family and type, the next thing I want to add is count. So how many counts of doors and windows? So I just add this count and import this. And after that, I like to add height and width. So here I have the height. I will just click on this arrow. Just I will click on this symbol, and then I would like to add width. Select width and import this. And then at last I will add like to add the cost. I just select on cost, and then I'll just click on then. So I have family and type, count, and then I have height, width, and cost. Now I'll just click on OK. Once I click on OK, automatically I'll be brought to this door schedule viewport. So here you can just see this door schedule viewport. So in family type, I can just see types of family I have added. So these are the many families that I have added, used in this project file. So these are the counts, and these are the heights, which cost I have to enter. So just to split this family type, I have to go to properties. In properties, I have to go to sorting and grouping. Just click on edit. Here first you just select family and type, and then select this header, footer, and everything, and then just click on OK. So now you can see this is one family, doors, exterior single. So this is one family, and here at bottom you can see there is only one count. So this is the second family that I have. So in this family I have two counts. So this is the third family I have. In third family I have three counts. This is another fourth family which I have three counts, and then I have these doors where I have four counts. So like this I can see the counts. Now to just add a cost, I should just know the market value of this dose. So I can just randomly add a value. So here I will just give a random value like 500, click OK. And then for this door, I will just give it as 400. click OK. So now all the doors in that family, particular family will get a value of 400. And then here I will just type it as 450, click enter, click OK. So all other doors also will get that value. Here I will just type it as 550, click enter, OK. And then here as 350, click OK. Now I have just given a random cost for all this. Now to just get a total cost, total counts, total cost of these doors. So for that I have to go to edit this formatting. In properties I have to go to this formatting, click on edit, and here I have to just select all these things, press Control and select all these things except the family and type. So as that family and type we have given in sorting and group. So just select these four except the family and type, and then in no calculation change this to calculate totals. After selecting this calculate totals, just click OK. So in this way, we can just see we have for this particular family, the total amount is 800. For this particular family, three counts, we have 1350. Now for this total, we have 1650 and 1400. But now if you just want to get a grand total of all this amount, for that again go to this sorting grouping, click on edit. Here we have a grand total option. Just check on this grand total and then just click OK. So now we can see at last grand totals. We have total 13 count. So the total amount is 5,700. So like this, we have to do a scheduling for the doors. So the same thing also we can do for the windows as well. So for windows, we have to again go to this view tab. Here we have to select the schedule and quantities. Here we have to select the windows. So just select on windows and click OK. And here we have to do the same thing like family and type. And you can also press Control and select all these things, whatever that you want to add with height. So by pressing Control and selecting all together, you can just add that parameters into here. But now the order is completely different. So to change this order, you have to select this and move this upwards like this. So you can move this downwards cost as final thing. So like this, you can change the things, orders. So after this, just click on OK. So now you can see we have automatically it has created a schedule. Here you can just go and do the same thing. First go to sorting and grouping. Click here family and by type. And click header and footer. Then click OK. After this, go to formatting. Okay, just add a value. Just add a cost like this. So keep on adding cost for particular family for one thing. If you just add a cost, it will add for others as well. So I'm giving a cost of random value, but you should know the market value of the particular windows and then applying that cost, you can just find out the total amount of windows that is going to be in your project. So just you have to know the exact amount is the market value. And after in schedule, if you just add that particular values, you can get the proper project amount for this windows in your project. So click OK. And now to get a grand total, or just first go to formatting. To get a normal total, just select all these things Change this to calculate totals and click OK. And then to get a grand total, click in this sorting grouping and then click on grand totals, click OK. Click OK here, you can just edit like this. So that's all for this class, guys. So like this, we can just create a schedule for doors and windows. So that's all for this class, guys. We'll see in the next class. Thank you, guys.